Hey guys, welcome back. So now that we have reached the end of the topic, which is linked list, it's time that we see some of the practical uses of linked list in real world. So let's get started. So have you ever used Alt Tab button in a Windows operating system? I'm sure you would have. So did you notice how it works? Let's say I have these applications open right now in my computer. So if I press an Alt Tab button for the first time, the control goes to the desktop. Pressing on Alt Tab button once again takes the control to Firefox. If I press it again, it goes to Outlook. Then it goes to WhatsApp. Then it goes to Skype. And if I press Alt Tab button once again, then the control goes back to desktop. And the cycle continues forever. Now how about if we press Shift Alt Tab button all together? In that case, if we are at Outlook, instead of control going to the next application, which is WhatsApp, it goes to the previous application, which is Firefox. So once we are at Firefox, if we press Shift Alt Tab button again, control goes to here, that is desktop. If we press Shift Alt Tab again, the control goes to Skype. So you see that we have the flexibility of traversing right as well as left. Also, we see that once we reach the last application, the control automatically comes to the first application on pressing Alt Tab button. Similarly, if we are at the first application and we press Shift Alt Tab, control automatically goes to the last application. So now if we recall from the 4 types of linked list that we have learned till now, can you guess which of the linked list that we are talking about here? Please pause this video and think. Yes, you are right. It is circular double linked list. Because we can traverse both the ways, it is a double linked list. And since after traversing the last node, we can traverse back the first node and vice versa, it is a circular list. So basically Alt Tab button is implemented using circular double linked list. Now let's see one more example where linked list is used. Windows Photo Viewer application which comes inbuilt with Windows. So in case if you don't know what this application does, it is basically used to view the pictures. Now let's say we have one folder in which we have multiple pictures out there. Now if we open one of these pictures with this Windows Photo Viewer application, we get to see the picture and we also see 2 small buttons over here. Now if you notice, if we press this button, we automatically start seeing the next picture. Whereas if we press this button, it takes us to the previous picture. Now what happens if the picture that we are currently viewing is the last picture of the folder? In that case, if we still press on this button over here, what will it do? Will this button get disabled because there is no more picture after this and this is the last picture? Or it will take us to the first picture in the folder. Please pause the video here and check it out on your own. So I hope you would have seen what happens in case we are seeing the last picture and press on this button. Yes, you are right. It will go to the first picture in the folder. So does that remind us of something? Yes, it is once again an implementation of circular double linked list. Why is it double? Because we can view both the previous as well as the next picture. And why is it circular? Because once we are at the last picture of the folder, clicking on the next button takes us to the first picture in the folder. Those were the 2 practical uses of linked list. Hope you have understood it. So with this we end this video. In the next video, we will start a new topic which is stack. Thanks for your time. See you in the next video.